Hey, beautiful souls. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. Your dream life checklist. We're talking about building a life you love, brick by sparkly brick. We're going to break it down into 10 must-have essentials to make sure you're living your best life. We'll dig deep, get real, and by the end of this, you'll be strutting your stuff with confidence because you'll have the roadmap to your dreams. Ready? Let's go. All right, dreamers, let's get down to business. First things first, you got to know what you want. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life. What's it look like? Where are you? Who's with you? Don't hold back. Write it all down, every little detail. This is where the magic starts. When you see it clearly, you start believing. And when you believe it, you're halfway there. So get specific, get wild, and make it happen. Now that you've got your dazzling vision, it's time to break it down into bite-sized pieces. We're talking goals, sweetheart, but not just any goals. We're talking SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Think of it like a recipe for success. You wouldn't just throw all the ingredients in a bowl and hope for the best, right? You gotta follow the steps. Break down your big dream into smaller milestones, like chapters in your own personal success story. Each milestone you hit is a reason to celebrate. Treat yourself to something special, whether it's a new pair of shoes, a night out with friends, or a weekend getaway. You deserve it. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride and celebrate every victory along the way. And hey, if you stumble, don't sweat it. Even the biggest stars have their off days. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and get back on that glitter path. Let's talk about taking care of your most valuable asset, you. You can't slay your goals if you're running on fumes. Fuel your body with delicious, nutritious foods. Move your body, find something you love, and finally, get your beauty rest. Let's be real, money talks. Having a solid financial plan is like having a secret weapon. It gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms, track your spending, create a budget, and stick to it. Once you know where your money is going, you can start saving. Even a little bit each month adds up over time. And don't be afraid to invest in yourself. Knowledge is power, and financial literacy is your ticket to freedom. Listen up, Buttercup. You are who you surround yourself with. So ditch the energy vampires and surround yourself with people who lift you up, inspire you, and believe in your dreams. Think of your squad as your own personal cheerleading team. They're there to celebrate your wins, offer a shoulder to cry on when things get tough, and remind you of your awesomeness when you forget. Toxic people, show them the door, honey. Life's too short for negativity. You deserve to be around people who make you feel good, inside and out. And remember, being a good friend is a two-way street. Be there for your crew, support their dreams, and show them how much you care. Because at the end of the day, it's the people we love who make life worth living. All right, smarty pants, let's talk about expanding your mind. The world is your oyster, and there's always something new to learn, discover, and explore. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and challenge yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, attend workshops, travel to new places, talk to interesting people. The possibilities are endless. The more you learn, the more confident and well-rounded you become. And don't be afraid to embrace your inner nerd. Passionate about something, dive deep, become an expert, share your knowledge with others. You never know who you might inspire along the way. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, not a destination. So stay curious, stay engaged, and never stop exploring. Okay, it's time to talk about the fun stuff. What lights you up? What makes you lose track of time? Whether it's painting, dancing, singing, writing, playing an instrument, building things, collecting stamps, or training for a marathon, make time for the things you love. Hobbies and interests aren't just distractions. They're essential for a happy and balanced life. They allow you to express yourself creatively, de-stress, and recharge your batteries. And don't be afraid to try new things. You never know what hidden talents or passions you might discover. Step outside of your comfort zone, experiment, and have fun. Life's too short to be bored. All right, let's talk about self-care. It's not selfish, it's essential. In a world that's constantly demanding our attention, it's crucial to carve out time for yourself to relax, recharge, and show yourself some love. This is about more than just bubble baths and face masks, although those are great too. It's about prioritizing your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Find what makes you feel good and make it a regular part of your routine, whether it's meditation, journaling, spending time in nature, listening to music, reading a good book, or cuddling with your pet. Make time for the things that nourish your soul. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first, and you'll be amazed at how much more you have to give to others. All right, let's talk about something super important: giving back. When you focus on helping others, something magical happens. You realize that true happiness comes from making a difference in the world. Find a cause you're passionate about and get involved. Volunteer your time, donate to a charity, or simply lend a helping hand to someone in need. Even small acts of kindness can have a ripple effect, making the world a brighter place. And the best part? Giving back doesn't just benefit others, it benefits you too. Studies have shown that helping others can boost your mood, reduce stress, and even improve your physical health. So go out there and spread the love. The world needs your unique gifts and talents. All right, party people, it's time for the final checklist item: fun and adventure. Life's not all about work and responsibilities. It's about creating memories, trying new things, and embracing the unexpected. Say yes to new experiences, even if they scare you a little. Travel to new places, try new foods, pick up a new hobby, step outside of your comfort zone. You only live once, so make it count. And don't forget to embrace spontaneity. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones that aren't planned. So be open to new possibilities, say yes to invitations, and see where life takes you. Remember, life is a journey, not a destination. So enjoy the ride, make memories, and never stop exploring. The world is your playground. And there you have it, folks, your dream life checklist. Remember, it's all about balance and making sure you're living a life that makes you happy. You deserve all the glitter and glam the world has to offer, but remember, true sparkle comes from within. So go out there, chase those dreams, and don't let anyone dull your shine. You are powerful, you are beautiful, and you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay motivated. Thank you for watching.